umsakazo Music Gavins FM Channel 33 Nobumpele umkelelezo umphefumulo asithi khona izwi lapha ngumuntu ninjani kodwa emakhaya kade sagcina sibuyile sithi izwi lapha ngumuntu uNkulunkulu siphila ukuphila sigcinekile sibahle uNkulunkulu sambulela ukuhle asiphe kona uNkulunkulu uyamangalisa siyabonga kakhulu nje niyaphila America, Asia, Europe, Africa, Australia niyaphila kodwa I know that uNkulunkulu is with you and uhlale nani ngasonke isikhathi angixolise nje impela ukuthi izinto zibuye ziyele but we know ukuthi izwi kaNkulunkulu limbewu ngisho njalo ukuthi esikukhulumayo kuyamila sometimes akufunakala isikhulume kakhulu izinto ezihlukene njalo and sikhohle ukuthi phela izimbewu fanele izikhule zakheke kithi ukuze zibe izithelo zithele Nkosi yami uNkulunkulu unjani kodwa uyazambula kini balaleli emakhaya yes akukho kukhulu nje ngizokhuluma bekunibingelela namhlanje sithi nje uNkulunkulu nathi akasishiyi ungambulele kakhulu kulokho about the life ukuthi izinto zethu esizenzayo zifanele zibe nokuphila ukuze zikwazi ukuimphatheka kufana ukuthi ukuthelela abanye abantu so into engenayo ukuphila ayikwazi ukutheleleka ayikwazi ukuthi uyidlulise because siyaphila la emhlabeni kodwa asipheleli la siyadlula kungena abanye kodwa kufanele impilo zethu zidlulele kwabanye baqhubeke nohambo because lento iumoya it goes from one generation to generation so fanele njalo mawubuka impilo uyibuke in generational form ubuka ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzokwenzelani yes nilalele umsakazo Music Gavins FM Channel 33 umsakazo musha ohlala umusha njalo umkenelezo umphefumulo siyazi ukuthi ngempela ukuphila kubalekile kade ngifunda nje ukuthi izinto esizifundisayo ziyazwakala uma sifundisa zinokuphila ayinakho ukuphoqa abantu ukuthi bakulalele awuphoqa izimo ukuthi zikulalele kodwa izimo ziyilalelela zona abantu bakulalela bona so ingakho ukuthi into enokuphila abantu they are drawn to it because it gives life to them so kubalekile ukuthi esiyikho sikuphile ukuze uma siqala sifundisa abantu ngento ephilayo ngike ngibasaba abantu kulezi inhlelo zama riches zama business lawa umuntu athi uzoba imillionaire you need to join lo muntu usanda kuqala mombuza ukuthi uqale nini uzokutshela ukuthi uqale in last year or 3 months back and usekwazi ukuthi akutshela ukuthi uzoba rich ukuthi it's business scheme so it's very important to ukuthi into iphile and ngesikhathi uyiphila it becomes you so when you share it you are sharing something that is living it got your DNA it's got your image and ngeke uqamba amanga in that because umoya kaNkulunkulu awufake kithi unezinto vele asayiniwe so once kwaqondana izinto zasenyameni nekamoya that's where we say it's a manifestation ila izinto zivela khona so ila ukwazi khona uma ufika endaweni even ungakhulumanga but your presence imanifest imphathe uma kukhona abantu kade bengenakho ukuhlakanipha ey'ntweni ey'thize, but because of your presence, because usutephe into the word that was put in you, so kulula ukuthi-ke abantu bashintshe, ubone beshintshe, environment ishintshe because of your presence. And it takes time. I won't lie, balaleli. Fanele sikufunde nje ukuthi impilo for it to develop in the physical realm, it needs time. It needs years. It can take you 20 years to become what God has called you to be and to ukuthi ibonakale emhlabeni. So ayikho microwave engakusiza ukuthi ube yilokhu uNkulunkulu abe yikho ikusheshise, but izinto zihamba ngama-season. Lalela umsakazo Music Gavins FM Channel 33. We are back online. Yes, lalela umsakazo Music Gavins FM Channel 33 nobombele ukheneneza umphefumulo. Yes, siyaqhubeka nendaba yethu ukuthi abantu babe yilokhu uNkulunkulu abadesignele ukuthi babe yikho, and sikwamukele ukulinda isikhathi sethu. Definitely isikhathi sethu siyafika sokumanifesta. Uma umtshali uyazi ukuthi utshala ummbila ngoNovember 25, definitely by February, in 3 months time, depends on ukuthi isitshalo sitshalile siyinyanga engaki. So it's very important to know ukuthi siyinyanga, and then definitely sizoyilda, sizoletha ifruit. So noNkulunkulu usakhile la emhlabeni njengezitshalo ezizothela at the right time. So it's very important ukulinda, because ukulinda kuzala ukuphila. Nkosi yami, uNkulunkulu ekufundisa ngento ilinde, iyakheke kuwe kuyima iba ukuphila, iyakhe ukuphila bese ukwazi ukuyidlulisa. Ngiyazi kulula kubantu ukuthi umuntu uma ethola into kumoya and then avela ayidlulise, and uyaphoqa ukuthi abantu bayilalele, and uzama ngawonke amandla ukuthi bayilalele because ayinakho ukuphila. Into enokuphila sometimes ayidingi ngisho ukukhuluma, iyazenzakalela, and we have to align with it if we dinga. Ngibuka nje imvelo ukuthi imvelo ayikhulumi lutho. Look at the sun, ilanga liyavela ekseni endaweni ethize lihambe liye kwenye indawo, doing one and the same thing every minute, every second. So kodwa wena uzobona ukuthi uyalidinga yini ilanga, so because ukuthi linani, so ingakho ukulinda kukwakha into nayo ibe ne-value, ikwazi ukukhipha imsoco njengohlu lwey'nyosi. My God. So ukulinda kuyakuzala ngampela ukuphila kwezinto. Ngibuka nje impilo kaJesu ukuthi uNkulunkulu alinde isikhathi esingaka azozalwa at that time, and mayizalwa abe i-manifestation of all the prophecies, yonke ama-prophecies akhulunyiwe ngaye abe yiwo. Uma ekhuluma uJesu wayengakhulumi into engenakuphila. Ingakho uma ekhuluma kwakunyakaza enhlizweni zabantu, because life was speaking to life. So it's very important balaleli. Ilokho nje bengifuna ukusho namhlanje. uNkulunkulu anigcine nje, anisibekele. Hopefully sizophinde sibonane isikhathi esilandelayo. uNkulunkulu anigcine. Lalela umsakazo Music Gavins FM Channel 33 nobombele umkeneneza umphefumulo la sithi khona izwi ngaba ngumuntu. God bless you.